1, 2, 3, go.
This is my Puerto Rican school.
Show your one. Okay, let's go. It's time to be 7 a.m. on a Monday. Wow. Yara, show me to your room. B. Hi, what are you doing? Uy. This is the pretty girl.
Wala gito niya. Wala gito na siya. Nya kana di man nila magamit karon kaya same na tayo nang mga same so. Parang ibot pa ng adi kwintas na siya.
Vlog, daray.
Requesting our flag bearers from grade 6 on. Flag bearers and our assigned leaders for this morning. So let's have the attendance checking. Can I see the hands? Can I see the hands of the grade 1 pupils?
Grade 1.
Grade 1 Faith, 1 Hope, and okay. Let's proceed. Thank you. Grade 2 Love. Grade 2 Faith. Grade 2 Hope. Grade 3 Love. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us.
Matawat na.
September. Bare months na. Hapit ng Pasko. Okay. So, what do we celebrate?
And have a great day today.
Thank you, teacher. Cheetah!
By the way, what is your name? Anna. Okay, is cheetah correct? Okay, a round of applause.
Yes, cheetah is the fastest animal. Yung teacher po, fastest ito na. Sa utang, gudagan.
Alin? Alin? You didn't see me, Dayon? Come here.
Mommy, did you put brown?